Still have to put intensity behind what you're doing. Yes. Da, 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 da. You got to get into the band note. Right now it's kind of like hum, 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 hum. Hear the difference? So even though you're playing underneath the solos, you still have to play with that intensity. That's what. Have you heard a recording of this?
Yes.
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 Go look on. Let's look at the count basie band recordings. There's several of them out there. And you'll hear Basie's band. Okay. This recording's a little different, but it'll give you the feel for how Basie's band interprets. And they always play with intensity behind it. Da, 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 even when they were playing soft underneath the solo. So go and look at that section underneath the solo. Go ahead and get a little more intense with your articulation. Okay? Let's start right there at 41. Okay? 41. Set. See if we keep this up at tempo. 2, a 1, 2, ready, go. Let's say 3 after 81. How do you articulate that last note of that measure in the winds?
Dit.
Huh? Dit?
Dit.
Dit. Right. So even though there's a slur marking to it, the jazz interpretation is you articulate it still. Do-ba-dee-da, do-ba-dee-da. Some of you are and some of you aren't. That's why I asked that question, to make sure that we're on the same page. Okay? The other thing is, at 81, do-ba-do-ba-do-ba-do-da-da. Take the line up and close up. Just a little shape right there. Do-ba-do-ba-do-da. Every time you have, it's going to be a little more rise and fall.
It's going to be a great
On
one.
the set,
Oh my god, 420.
with the bass drum, it can be like, it's almost like a feather.
On where?
Just with the bass drum,
Oh.
with your set bass.
Sorry.
It can be less, okay? Because I'm hearing a lot of 1, 2, 3, 4 between these two, and really, the reason I bring up bass band because they made the song famous, but typically, even his drummer rarely used the bass drum.
Yeah, that's my bad. When I push the tempo, I just like kind of lose.
No, I know, I get it. It's the energy that's behind it. Yeah, but that's why the bass line gets to keep moving and the guitar player chunks away so that the bass drum doesn't have to cut through the band. You get used to it. All right, let's go from 81. Here we go. A little bit of 81, then we'll move on.
Full length 10-minute vlog right here.
1, 2, 81. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go.
Spiced up time.
Okay, we're gonna stop and redo.